Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have entry number 35. This one says Bliss. So we'll see, because I don't know. I don't know what this is. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What is this? Somebody let me know. What? We shall see. I don't know who it's from, guys, so we're gonna open it up and try to find a card. Oh my goodness. There's so many. Oh my gosh. Wow. Gorgeous. Super cute. Who are you? Who could it be now? Who could it be now? Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. I love that it's in a bag too, because I could just use it all just like that. Let's see if we can find a card. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, let me see. Here it is. Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. Oh, that is nice. Oh, Fufucha's dolls. Oh my gosh. Yes. Bliss is Lizzette. Oh my gosh, Lizzette. Lizzette, you are entry number 35. And she is Fufucha's Dolls on YouTube and on Instagram, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is her card. And this is her, oh my gosh, you guys. And it's a good card stock. Oh my goodness. Hi Eileen, thank you for the opportunity. Giveaway, happy birthday, enjoy the Memory Dex card. Love, Lizzette. Girly. You're supposed to put your name on the envelope, woman, so I know it's you. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that, you crazy woman, you. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love these beads. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the beads, hon. And what is this? What's this? What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I love that song. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Woman. What? Look at all these little flares. Oh my goodness. It says hello and love and coffee. Apparently it's International Coffee Day. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little toucan. Oh, look at this fuzzy wuzzy llama right here. And then she has another one. I think this one is might be a poodle. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's cute. And this one says hooray. They're so adorable. They're so perfect size. Oh my gosh. I love that you gave me some Christmas. These are llamas, guys. They're so adorable. I'm trying to prevent the glare. There we go. And we have a little flamingo. And one that says peace. And yay. Oh my gosh. I love all these little flares. So adorable. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Lizzette. Girl. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's going crazy over here. Let me just put these down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. And she gave me some extras. What in the world? Thank you for giving me these, because I don't have a Target anywhere near me. This one says thankful, grateful. I think they're all thankful and grateful. Yes, so one of each for each color. So cute. Oh, thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And she also gave me some travel auto stickers. These are from Crafter's Square from Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness. These are adorable. Love it. Oh my gosh. Girly. You are so awesome. Thank you for giving me all these things. Oh my goodness, this is also from Target. This is their fall, and it comes with a stencil. So the stencil looks like that, and that's what the paper looks like. So 4 different styles. Now, I don't know what this is. So interesting. I don't know what this is. So let me see. What are they? Oh, interesting. Are you going to tell me what you are, little one? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Oh, wow. Hi, Eileen. I included a DIY shadow box frame. I will be having a tutorial on it on my YouTube channel soon, and I offer these in my Etsy shop. Would love to see your creation. Thank you, Lizzette. Oh my gosh. So this is the sample of what it is. It's a kit to build a little shadow box frame. And it looks like that, and the ephemera is not included. It's basically to, whoops, I just fumbled all of the stuff. It's basically you build it yourself. So these are the little planks to go around the box to create the shadow box. This one says Friday, I woke up like this. Messy hair, don't care. Oh my god, I need to keep that up here because that is so us on Friday. Yes. That's a cute washi. Oh my god. I just saw it. Hashtag weekend. That's cute. So yeah, so you take the pieces, these little wood planks right here. There's 4 little pieces, and you add it to your little shadow box, which is adorable. Awesome, girly. Oh my gosh, I would love to build this. Yes, and I'm probably going to use these to create that. That is so awesome. That's an awesome kit, guys. So please, I'm going to share her link in the description box down below. And look at her freaking memory decks. Oh my god, I can't wait. Let me get into this. This is so us right now. Oh my goodness. Today's menu, eat it or starve. I can't stand it. It's so funny. Oh my goodness. So we're all home with the kiddos and we're making breakfasts, stuff like that. And if you don't like what I'm cooking, you need to, you know, hold out for lunchtime. But this is a huge mitten, oven mitten right here in the background. And then she has a little whisk, and I think this is just ephemeras from the paper collection. And I think these are these the Dollar Tree stickers? Oh my gosh, let me know. And she's got the plate propped up on a rosette. She got a little avocado and a little apron. This is so gorgeous. And her memory decks card has like a, it's a die, so it has the faux stitching all the way around the edge. So cute. And then in the back it just says made with love by Lizzette, and then it has her information at Fafucha's Dolls on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. It's at Fafucha's Dolls, same thing, and she is from Florida. Look at that. So cute. You see the shape of the mitten there? Look at that. So cute. Lizzette, oh my gosh, thank you so much, girly. Greatly appreciate your entry, and please guys go check her out on her Etsy. So beautiful. Yes, it is www.etsy.com shop Fafucha's Dolls. There's her info again. I'll also put it down in the description box below, but go ahead and take a screenshot if you want. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to all these beautiful ladies and check out what's next in their channels. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.